Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this class again. Today we have the topic about comparative adjectives. Okay, let's start. Let's start with some vocabulary about adjectives. We have these words: thin, tall, strong, pretty, old, expensive, easy, fat, short, weak, handsome, young, cheap, and difficult. Okay, do you remember these words? We are going to remember these words, yes, and we are going to watch a video. I'm going to share a video with you. So pay attention, please.
Hello! Let's talk about people. Here we go. Thin, thin. Fat, fat. Tall, tall. Short, short. Strong, strong. Weak, weak. Pretty, pretty. Handsome, handsome. Old, old. Young, young. Hairy, hairy. Bald, bald. Okay, let's do that one more time. Louder. Thin, fat, tall, short, strong, weak, pretty, handsome, old, young, hairy, bald. Thank you very, very much, everyone.
Okay, let's continue. With the adjectives. Okay, you will find in this PowerPoint presentation the meaning of these adjectives. Okay, so you can practice. Let's continue. The topic of today is about comparative adjectives. Okay, so we have here the summary, and you will find some rules. Okay. For example, number one syllable adjectives, okay? How can we make the comparison? Yes, ¿cómo podemos compararlo? For example, small, smaller, tall, taller, old, older, hot, hotter, yes? Or you can say hotter, yes? So when you find one syllable adjective, you will add ER to the verb, to the adjective, yes? Take a look at it here. We add ER to the adjective, and we have one example. My father is taller than my mother, yes? So when do we use these comparative adjectives? We use when you want to compare to people, to things, to animals, or to places, yes? You compare just two, okay? Just two. You compare only two, yes? Let's continue with the next one. Two and more syllable adjectives, okay? For example, sociable, interesting, boring. How many syllables does this word have? For example, sociable, one syllable? No, right? Interesting, one syllable? No. Boring, what do you think about boring? Yes, they have two or more syllables. So when we have two or more syllables, you will add more. This word, take a look at it. More sociable, more interesting, more boring. For example, series are more boring than movies, right? Again, we are comparing just two. We are comparing series and we are comparing movies. Let's continue. Two and more syllable adjectives ending in Y. Yes, what do you think? Let's see. For example, we have easy, yes, lazy, happy, funny. When we have an adjective ending in Y, right? Ending in Y, yes, we will add ER, but we change Y by I. Okay, for example, easy, easier, lazy, lazier, happy, happier, funny, funnier. Yes, and we have one more example. English is easier than maths, right? We are comparing again just two. In this case, two subjects, yes, English and maths. English is easier than maths. Let's continue. Yes, now we have the irregular comparatives. How? How? So we don't add ER, we do not add more, but we are going to change the word. Yes, it changes. For example, for good is the adjective, and the comparative form, you will say better. Yes, or better, or better. For bad, bad is the adjective, and the comparative form is worse. Far, and the comparative form is farther or further. Yes, with U or with A. Like the example, healthy food is better than junk food, right? So remember, we use comparative adjectives in order to compare two things, or two people, or two places, or two animals. Yes, but just two. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for being here. See you next class.